no kuminyoka isiko garia na kubogori chibesa chito na kugore ndege bono to planere tu no cha gonjoka na nere babo ligoro bunanko ira chikurechi abantu ayi bakorara bareta chibesa chito asibakoye
amashimo singencho wato ire chipara by the way chipara ntire gaiga for example epara ya nyanturago irundi nabagi para ne ire gaiga ilamuniri ya chage to chinsemo chia liga batin kwa mere tegesire. So what is the state here chipara trinyeri bali
baba for the last 4 years Nyasaima except a few loads Jalikobe Pomoram and which the county was doing partially and other players Ntobu ati pale ndio nsi hagachiro asetongi bati yete at least tebe no nera na temete ila mieli ase atikete no ire gapo kakino no gutabukirende kwa ndo mano manyenga inkigazi yatenenete asinali mpake site ye karusi gubuna kuruga kegati kuchilia nyamwamba elami yabwenete yabikiro mpake site yabire yachire site wende tolwana olusi ororo oirangao epale iguru ya Nyamira gocha Keumbu wende ochikonye launch na ande kuru site ya Keumbu ya Nyaribali epala ya kuru ibeno gotira goche all throughout ngana kazi imeanza kazi tiye gochaka baba no koronchegere temperature to ale isirieche ne present ya sengenje gocha bamotenga gato aloso achakire gazi 4 years 2023 epala to abwenete kwe unebeyem Nyaribali church ngayere 2024 kusintuntu abwenete kwe wipala no ena twewe yeme mukanga bono ni akanetori ugende kitutu chache noti chipala nyinye chi akolero erami the same ogirango there's nothing on our side and we are the ones to make it worse oyu mujumbo you to bwenete kobeka kukwanira nero goikaransa se e budget ye kobagu yokolosi chipala ereta kola tigerire ndarete ekero moga kominto pora aringa se committee yu tigere libonchali epale etete airport mapara mat neriende ne junction chiko join chilamchiri chibekere karo pora ale committee area ino mujumbo itonya libali chachali kende nkeyo erebono realize ri para nchikayo tigange bange mapema olire ndege nero nalo lire bole bango tenga ya gakitotebi umuntu nagulite ndege iyi enkwolo kingo tenga gaki ntomanyete pale ito tigia ke komugaiga ya Nyasacha chipale chine chimbe bona tatekera ko boli chikura ucharuka mungino liyo koni litokera ngakia ko chikulinie litoke ndege
na banya mheshimiwa ndege ne biashara bia yako kwa vitu vingi but mheshimiwa actually what I want to ask you is this watebere para Nyaribali ntiri gweteka mwanya ko raise concern mwanya watebi mujumbe nga na mheshimiwa paranto what I ignore
baba kwalo I think tura bwati mangana genderete Nyaribali church abantu basimika kama token sanyanjo giterere gali kwalo
tubako from mwananchi ko ogosimeka amatoke indubuna bara lazima moto arege doyo kora kama kuvuatirana
yes intubuna bara when you don't have this platform the only voice you have is what I'm doing ekiragin kolen komo tebiga ekinagina motebiri no enkolo last week week eliende and we are going to consistently hit on these people until we get our part of the share. Share itonero tuganeti. Ntureka siasa eringo sukuma na torega remote bobesa. But yunpaka tutareka siasa karatu akilitwa twabageretu turaewa umonginoria ende kadi anyora kurwari gubosa. Ya epale libakone litoke pale gosalie echa ego sarikase ngenjeria nyamamwe pale tarosi ararosia gosaltenga chibesa chia chiete chialenga rokete ke mutisia ibeno nande togendete gukura ero sigwe nande twalwete ultimatum in the next 2 months onye tariko nyekuna onye tariko beke contractor ya onye tariko beke contractor in the next 2 months into tokobeko muchango twechangere because toko twale project ibwena tokotokonya ke installed. And you are telling us, well, the only thing you can afford, no go sell abantu baitu. That money, put it together. Oire ibeno olosi ekwerende enyagitaliero. Estadi meto tokawe ujibesa. 200 million. Babo ende nyantro no eruna ya lingi. Kuruma kanya chaya. Correct? The person is supposed to even push national government who claims to be even closer to power. Yeah? Taku buati gento buneki. Atotebi, this is a program. Even tell us. Even totebi kechibesa chia chiete. Kusing what are you doing? We don't have that avenue. Omonto go chosio kaigosira. Gayogo chikomorusi. We don't have a specific place. Omuntu gukonivatie library abantu bamwenete kunyora mang'ana amayasi tubwenete kuzugura egento kwanye beka obisi asogocha gukorera ebintu byao obisi tutagete kusene library aso mungina atebyo mwana ono gendo apply kibanda ali gendo online citizen gento nkeregayo obeke chi computer, that is a library inere gusabwa pa nere ko basemya. Yeah, so that is where the challenge is. Our person is clueless and we are going to shout loudest paka tumuruzi ororo tumako bange bintu byetu intuntu bwate problem nere. A problem to bwate is the resources chaito, how they are being allocated, how they are being governed, how are they being spent. You cannot use our money to buy helicopters. Ola mchikuminyo kwa gegwira bangi na bande bale chiro. Na ande tunatoka 2027 aso kugune ndege babuli iguru. Goche kutungaina etoja kuminyo kinero.
All right. Actually amoishimiwa watebiringa bado moraisane kegi ya koroneri bali. You know, kero ko